We are very proud to be supporting World Earth Day. We're doing our little bit here in the Brecon Beacons. We like to recycle everything we can here in terms of seed trays and root trainers, which is something which you put a very young seedling or a seed into. Then they're taken to a plastic recycling depot in Abergavenny. We reuse the plastic that our trees arrive in to rewrap our seedlings before they go back into the ground to prepare them for the next season. We take these trees out onto site wrapped in this plastic and we make sure that no plastic is left on site at all. But we tend to overplant so that we don't use the actual tree guard on every single tree. We're prepared to take the hit with the predation from deer and rabbits. We're quite adept at recycling and reusing here for Stump, out of necessity and practicality. So we make all our own compost here, and we have Liz, who is the queen of compost. We have biochar mix, our own oak leaf compost. We use old carpet on top of it to keep the heat in. So that's one part of the thing we can reuse from like household waste. We also reuse lots of cardboard here. We use it in our compost and we also use it throughout our newly planted rows of trees to stop the weeds coming up. So we use it as like a weed suppressant. It rots down into the soil as well, so it helps the soil. And then what we keep it in place with is sheep's wool, which will come from the farms in the summer, and we'll lay it in between, and that'll help keep the compost down, and it also helps in these little dew trenches to keep the moisture in, to hopefully stop how much we have to irrigate during the summer. Stump Up are going to continue in the vein that we've started and hopefully become a lot more efficient at using things, particularly out in the field. We'll continue our great relationship with our sponsors, because even though we have sort of monetary donations, other ones give us, for example, the cardboard, which may seem like a very small donation, but will really help us. If you want to get involved with us in any shape or form, whether it's actually here at the nursery, whether it's on site, whether it's planting trees, whether you can help us with the tech, or whether you can help us with grant funding or donations, you want to become a sponsor, then please come and get involved. Contact us at hello@stumpupfortrees.org. We're here based just outside Abergavenny. We are more than happy to help you help us in any way at all.